LuxWall, a breakthrough energy company, is rethinking windows. If you take a traditional window and apply heat to one side, it gets very hot quickly on the other side. Most windows have an R value of 2. That means hardly any insulating quality. Most of a home's energy is lost through windows. But heat a LuxWall window the same way the outside surface gets hot, while the inside surface stays cool. It blocks the heat from passing through. The vacuum between the panes is unique. LuxWall windows have an R value of 18, equivalent to thick fiberglass insulation in a wall. LuxWall will be opening its second factory in Detroit. Installing LuxWall windows in a home or building saves money on heating and cooling, and over time ends up costing much less than a traditional window.